to think, and I want you to figure out what formula can you use here.
C.
Okay. Can you say that again?
C, Chair.
You said B or C just now?
C.
Okay.
0.150.
Okay, so Carolyn says it is C. How many of you agrees with her? How many of you don't know?
I agree, Chair.
Okay, all of you agree. What formula did you, anyone that say I don't know how to do? Okay, so if no one, yeah, what's the formula that you use here? I think after today, you want to muntah already, okay? You vomit already, you see this calculation questions, terpenat already to see it. Okay, what's the formula I use here?
MV over 1000.
Yeah, okay. So after today, you go through all these questions with Puan Sheena ni on stop. She's giving us this question. Penat only, okay? 42. So Caroline, 1 mark. If you can get Naim, please get Naim. Vin told me he can't make it. He's still out. He'll be a bit late. I think Shira's not here. Anyone else that are missing? Is teacher missing anyone else?
Naim tak ada, Chair.
Naim. Normally I will ask Mardia to help. Mardia can get Naim, Mardia. Or do you want to pass on that baton to Mukni? Mukni, you want to get him or not?
Cikgu, mana kat kota ada masa, Cikgu? Saya tak lepas baton, Cikgu. Saja pancing. Sekejap je.
I
Okay,
can call
boleh.
Chair.
What Mardia?
I can call him, Chair.
Okay, you can call him. Funny lah, you pass baton like that. Okay, now let's look at the second question. Actually, I don't want to give you the answer. I don't want to give you the hint. I want you to think. Okay, what do the question want?
Is it B, Chair?
Okay, yes, the answer is B. Did everybody get B?
Yes, Chair.
Yes, Chair.
Okay, just raise up your hand. Who did not get B? Raise up your hand. Tak apa. Okay, good. All right, so one volunteer to teach Munira quickly. Hanif, Abira. Hanif, Adib, are you here, Adib?
Yes, sir.
Adib, do you get also B, Adib?
Yes.
Okay, so Adib, you teach Munira.
Pakai formula MV over 1000.
Okay.
So masukkan M 0.5 darab dengan 100 cm3 100 batu over 1000.
Okay, jawapan dia kita dapat ialah
0.05 B.
0.05. Okay, Munira dapat already, Munira?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's okay. Tak apa, you ask many questions now. Very good. Jangan masa exam you ask, eh. Okay, Adib 1 mark, eh. Okay, jap. Hujan. I go and take the clothes. You all try first. Wait, you all try, okay? Okay, you all can hear all my sounds are running here, running there. Sorry. Okay, I'm admitting Naim. Okay, how to do this? Anyone can tell teacher, how do I do this question? Can you hear me?
Darab mula, Miss.
Very good. Okay, so I want everyone copying what I'm writing, yeah? From mole to per decimeter cube, Teacher wants to go to gram per decimeter cube. Okay, mole to gram, I must times the molar mass. Gram to mole, teacher must divide the molar mass. Are you following, teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so very simple. I have 2 moles. Teacher wants sulfuric acid. What's the molar mass for sulfuric acid? H2SO4. What's the molar mass for sulfuric acid?
98.
Okay, 98. So 2 times 98, what do I get?
196.
Okay, correct. Answer is D. Okay, so very good. You're actually doing very well. Okay, but these are the simple questions. Next one. Okay, so this is the question here. Cikgu tak bagi jawapan. You must see very carefully, yeah. You need to work it out. What formula are you going to use here?
Cikgu, M1V1 equals to M2V2 ke?
Salah. Kalau buat
MAVA over MVVB equals
Correct.
to 1/2.
yeah, you know why? Why I must use MAVA? The word neutralize. You see the word neutralize, straight away I must use MAVA over MBVB is equals to A over B. Kalau you see the word added with water, kalau you see the word distilled water, then you know that you must use M1V1 is equals to M2V2. And also you got acid and then you got alkaline. Okay, you must remember, you must know how to detect. Okay, who would like to try? Are you here more?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Teacher don't want to force you. I would rather hear you. You must be the one that wants to answer me.
Is it
Can I try?
5 centimeter cube?
Sorry. Okay. Naim, what do you say, Naim?
2.5 centimeter cube.
Okay, actually, honestly, I have no idea because don't know why my question doesn't have the answer there. So we are going to do it together. So I can't even say yes. Teacher doesn't know. Let's do this together. More. I heard you want to try. Okay, more go.
So we have to use the MAVA over MBVB equals to A over B formula
Okay, shoot.
for initialization. And then they want us to find volume for sulfuric acid. So they already gave us the molarity, right? 0.5.
Correct.
So they already gave us molarity. So we just put 0.5 times VA because VA is what we're going to find over 0.1 times 25
Okay.
equals to 1/2.
Okay, why 1/2? Why cannot be 2/1?
Because it's A over B. So that means it's acid over base.
Okay, correct. Then now what do you need to do next?
And then cross multiply.
Okay. You're supposed to cross multiply, yeah? So teacher will get 1.0 VA is equals to 2.5, I believe. So VA is equals to 2.5 centimeter cube. Did all of you get 2.5 centimeter cube?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, so you all got it correct, yeah? Next. Now, this one I want to go faster, yeah? Okay, Mugni, you should tell me what formula here. What did you see and how do you know you're going to use that formula? What is the keyword?
Neutralize.
Okay, straight away. Now I'm going to time you all 20 seconds. You need to do it in 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stress or not? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, can do or not? I want to ask you all can do or not this question? Can use the normal way or not? Can you
No,
use
teacher.
the no, right? Can you all use the normal way to get the answer?
Tak boleh je.
Ah, Muk ni boleh ke tak boleh?
Tak boleh.
Tak boleh. Why?
Dia tak bagi volume untuk sodium hydroxide.
Correct. Dia tak bagi volume. So I have to use a different formula. What's the formula? I just purposely did this to trick y'all, yeah? That's why I asked Muk ni about neutralize there, yeah? So you kena tengok soalan juga. Muk ni, sorry kena tipu Muk ni.
Tak apa je.
Okay. What formula can I use here?
Compare.
Ami apa Ami?
Compare je.
Tak boleh compare.
MV over 1000.
Okay, let's do MV over 1000. Okay, I get what Ivy is saying. Okay, so what is the molarity of sulfuric acid when 100 centimeter cube of the acid, okay, neutralizes 0.04 mole. Okay, now if I miss correct to compare first. Okay, if sodium hydroxide is 0.04 mole, do I want the number of moles of sodium hydroxide or do I want the number of moles of sulfuric acid to answer my question?
Sulfuric acid.
Very
Sulfuric
good.
acid.
Very good. So I need to find the number of moles first. Okay, let me tell you again what I'm saying. I want to find number of moles of sulfuric acid. Okay, this is a sulfuric acid, but teacher don't know the number of moles of sulfuric acid. Why do I want to find the number of moles of sulfuric acid? Because they asked me to find molarity. M here. Okay, V already I know, 1000 already I know. Okay, but they gave me number of moles of 0.04 sodium hydroxide. So let's start with Aimi first, then I go to Naim. Aimi, compare for teacher.
From the equation,
Okay,
2 mole of sodium hydroxide
okay,
and 1 mole of sulfuric acid.
correct. Okay, then
From the calculation, 0.04 of mole of sodium hydroxide and 0.02 mole of sulfuric acid.
okay, now what can I do with the 0.02 here? What can teacher do? Naim, do you know?
Just substitute that.
Correct, very good. Let's all do together, yeah? So 0.02, it's equals to, okay, my V is 100, my M I do not know, divided by 1000. Okay, what can teacher do here? I can darab, okay, teacher will get 20, right? 20 is equals to 100 M. M is equals to 20 divided by 100. What will my answer be?
C.
Very good. 0.2 mole per decimeter cube. How many of you are confused with this question? Okay, Hurin. Who else?
Major.
Farah, Munira, okay? Okay. Can teacher ask you? Okay, Hanif also confused. Okay, very honest, good job. Okay, where were you confused at? Where? Which part? Why am I not using MAVA over MBVB is equals to A over B? Are you confused at that part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I want to use MAVA over MBVB is equals to A over B, I must have the information. Okay, if they ask me to find the molarity of MA, I must have VA, VB, MB. But in this question, they only give me MB. They never give me VB. So that means teacher cannot use this method. Teacher needs to use another method. Actually, I also have never seen this kind of question in SPM before. So it's good they ask different kinds of way. What they gave you is they gave you they straight away gave you the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. They told me sodium hydroxide got 0.04 mole. And they wanted you to relate if 2 moles is 0.04, 1 mole is how much? So you must know this is 0.02. Okay, knowing that I know number of moles, I know volume. Teacher has number of moles. I have volume. I can insert the value and find my molarity. So I want to teach you all today, class. To get an answer, you don't just need one way. You can have more than one way. Okay? Now, you take a picture of this. Later on, you try again. Okay? So at least you know there's more than one way to answer a question. Okay? So if you still don't understand, teacher will help you some more later. Okay, now we look at the question. Did they give me everything? We do one by one. This is acid. Huh? What is my 20 here?
Volume.
Okay, V what? VA or VB?
VA.
Very good. What is my 0.1?
MA.
Okay, very good. What is 50 here?
VB.
Very good, VB. Now I have all this. Can I use the normal way to find the answer?
Yes.
That is my point, yeah? Just now when I did this, okay, I was going to show you. I have number of moles. Like so weird. And then I have here VA. Yes, darling. Okay. Then they asked me to find MA. I don't even have VB, nothing. I don't even have MB. Okay, so you surely know, this kind of question, I cannot use MA, VA, MB, VB. I cannot. I need to think of another way. Teacher just wanted you to see the difference. This question, I have everything here. I can use the normal way. Teacher give you 20 seconds to answer the question if you have not answered me yet.
Cher,
Yes.
Farisha ada tanya soalan.
Okay, when do we use MA, VA? Okay, whenever you see, very good question Farisha. Bila kita nampak dia ada asid tambah alkali. Okay, dalam soalan ni nampak tak asid tambah dengan alkali? That is your one hint. Second hint, dalam soalan tu kadang-kadang dia akan tulis neutralize. Okay, dah this question pun sudah tulis neutralize. Soalan tip ketiga cikgu, bila dia dah beri 3 daripada 4 information. Let's say they ask you to find molarity of calcium hydroxide. Dia suruh cari MB kan? Dia mesti sudah beri MA, VA dengan VB. 3/4 daripada apa yang hendak dicari mesti diberi. That's when you know you must use MA, VA over MB, VB is equals to A over B. Okay, let's look at the question before. They gave me acid and alkaline. Perfect. I got acid, I got alkaline. Number 2, they gave me the word neutralize. Perfect. I got the word neutralize. Number 3, they give me 3/4 of what I need to count. No, they did not. I cannot use the formula. Farisha, does that help you, Farisha? Farisha?
Bila nak guna MV over 1000?
Oh, dia tanya MV over 1000 ke MAVA? Sorry, cikgu salah tengok tu. Okay, so explain about the wrong thing. Okay, my total apologies. MV over 1000, you only can use to find number of moles. Bila dia suruh cari number of moles for solution. So selalunya dalam chapter 7, it's all about solution. Kalau dia suruh cari number of moles, kena guna formula MV over 1000. Macam soalan tadi, soalan pertama tadi ni. Okay, what is the number of moles in 1.5 100 centimeter cube nitric acid? Solution. I cannot use mass over molar mass. I cannot use volume over molar volume. I cannot use number of particles over Avogadro constant. So therefore, I must use this formula. Farisha, does that help you now?
Yes, Chair. Thank you.
Sorry, I'm going to answer a wrong question pula tu. This one came out yesterday. Very similar, something like this came out in your quizzes yesterday. Okay, answer. You haven't done this yet. Sorry. Answer this question first. 62. If you finish, then you finish, she'll let you answer. Anyone who got the answer, you can just shout out the answer. If everybody got the answer, then I will say, okay, fine, I won't discuss already.
Cik,
What did-
is it 0.02?
Correct, A. Did everybody get A?
Yes, Chair.
Yes,
Okay,
Chair.
excellent. Yeah, all of you got A. Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, let's look at the next question. What is my pH value here? You know or you don't know?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, Naim don't know. Okay, the rest of you, you know or you don't know?
Don't know,
Chair.
Okay, alright.
Cikgu,
Don't know.
jawapannya C ke cikgu?
Betul. C. Mukni kamu aja.
Oh cikgu, saya tengok graf tu pasal saya fikir mana tu jawapan yang reasonable.
Okay, alright. Actually, you don't even have to draw anything. Okay, we look at the question, yeah? When teacher has 1 mole per decimeter cube hydrochloric acid, okay, I'm adding to 25 centimeter cube sodium hydroxide. Okay, so you imagine lah, okay, teacher is having a conical flask here, okay, and then in my conical flask right now, teacher have 25 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide. Actually, this is a very good KBAT question also. Now, so when teacher, I look at A first, when I don't put any hydrochloric acid, it is totally alkaline, right, class?
Yes, Chair.
Okay, if it's totally alkaline, do you all agree that my pH must be 14?
Yes.
Obviously lah. Now, when I put in 10 centimeter cube, that means I put a little bit of hydrogen ions. Okay, so the hydrogen ions have started to react with my hydroxide ions. I am forming water. Okay, now when I am forming water, is it still very alkaline now?
Yeah.
Okay, it's still alkaline, but is it as alkaline as when I had no hydrogens coming in?
No.
No, that means the pH value went down a bit. Okay, the pH value went down a bit. Okay, now listen carefully. Yeah, I'm going to write out the equation so you know what teacher is talking about. You got sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. Okay, I am using 1.0 mole here. I am using 1.0 mole here. Teacher has got 25 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide. Now, teacher is putting 25 centimeter cube of hydrochloric acid. Same amount. What do you think will happen to all my H plus and my OH ions?
Neutralize.
They will neutralize. Every OH you see inside here will neutralize with all the hydrogen. That means reaction complete already. All my OH ions has already reacted with my hydrogen ions. I am getting pure water now. Okay. Now when teacher gets pure water there, my salt and water already formed. Okay. No matter how much I add anything, it doesn't help me anymore already. When I get salt and water, what must my pH be? Water. Water is water or even
Seven.
salt. Yes, Vin, what's your answer, Vin?
7.
Very good, 7. When I get salt and water, they are neutral already. Okay, so it is going to be neutral. All the reaction has happened already. Okay, now you look at 40, yeah? You look at 40. Why my pH is at 2, yeah? Okay, must remember, I got no more OH left. All the OH being used up. But my hydrogen is still coming down. So obviously, what's going to happen here? My hydrogen will make my solution become
Acidic.
acidic. That's why my pH is 2. Okay, I know most of you have never seen this kind of question before. Okay, but are you happy that you are exposed to this kind of questions, and do you understand how to get the answer now?
Yes, Chair.
Yes, Chair.
Okay, the rest, Farah, Munira, Mardia.
Yes, Chair.
Yes,
Okay.
Chair.
I have
Okay,
a question.
Okay, Hurin, go.
When do we use the negative log? Something like that.
Okay, so in your syllabus, yeah, because it's a new syllabus, okay, so that's why not many questions on that. So teacher is still searching for questions on that. When I am able to find questions on that, then I will send you all to do. Okay, because not many questions, it's all the new syllabus. So hard to find questions. If you notice, all these questions are until 2019. Memang is the old syllabus. Hurin, teacher will find for you some more, okay?
Okay, Chair.
Still cannot find. Teacher went searching that day. Okay. Do for me. Okay. Both 65 and 66. Tak apa. Okay, I don't have many questions already. I got 4 more questions and then it's your so-called test lah. Okay. Don't be stressed. Everything is there. Everything you need is there. You need to just take out what they're giving you.
So is the answer B?
No. The key word is a dye-based acid.
Teacher, I don't know. I got 1.25.
Okay. Thank you, Naeem. Thank you, Vin. Okay. Any other anyone?
Written that 2.5 instead of 25.0. CMQ.
What, darling? What, darling?
In English, ditulis 2.5. But in Malay, ditulis 25.
Oh, okay, okay. The answer should be 25. Don't take 2.5, take 25. This one must be 25. Did anyone get any different answer here? Anyone? You got a different answer here. What answer did you get, Vin, again? Sorry?
Now A je.
Pula. Yeah, tak Papa can. All right. Okay. Anyone else with my answer could even be wrong. I haven't worked it out yet. This one I did, I think, last year. Anyone has a different answer? Okay.
I got
All right.
B, Chair.
You got B. Okay, so maybe my teacher's answer is wrong here. Anyone else got B?
I got C, Chair.
Okay,
Saya dapat
Hurin.
B.
Okay, dapat B, dapat C. Okay, so let's work it out. Teacher also tak sempat to work it out yet, yeah? So again, formula will be MAVA, MBVB. Okay, you shout out and tell me what's my A, MA. MA,
3.5.
very good. VA,
1.0.
No.
25.
25. Sorry. Okay, 25. What is my MB?
1.
Yes, 1.0. What is my VB? Don't know.
Enggak.
I'm enggak tahu ya. Okay, now key point. A dye-based acid, meaning to say it is actually H2SO4 lah. Okay. All right. Okay. So if it is my H2SO4, let's say, yeah. So H2SO4 is reacting with potassium hydroxide. Teacher will get, you tell me, what will I get? K2SO4 plus water, correct? Agreed?
Yes, teacher.
Balance it for teacher. Balance. Mardia, balance for teacher.
2 in front of KOH.
And then someone help Mardia. Let's not waste time.
2H2O.
Okay, 2H2O, correct. Okay, so you tell me. What is my reading supposed to be here?
1/2.
Very good. 1/2. I'm just showing you all sorts of way question can come out, kids. Okay, so don't be surprised. Okay, now you darab silang together with teacher, yeah? 0.5 times 25 is how much?
12.5.
Okay, 12.5 times 2, Caroline?
25.
Okay, 25. Alamak, I should have known that. Okay, 1 times VB is equals to VB. Okay, class. What is my VB?
25.
25.
25. Did you see where you made the mistake? You all put 2/1, correct? Did you
Should I
all
put
put
1/1?
You put 1/1, lagi salah. Okay, how come you put 1/1? That's why I say whenever you do neutralization, must have equation. Must have equation. If not, how you want to do this? Okay, do you understand what you just did now?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Hurin got question again.
I put my BB as 25, but I still got the same answer. Je.
You put your VB as 25. How you put that?
Yeah, salah baca je.
Okay, it's okay. But exam, thank God, is objective lah. If subjective, you will lose the mark for working. All right. Okay. The next question already is the normal type. Teacher, don't need to waste time with normal type. I just wanted to show you how question can ask different type. Now, are your eyes open? I mean, okay lah.
Yes, teacher.
Your eyes have always been open, yeah. But
Mata ketiga saya keluar je.
oi, mata ketiga cikgu tak nak tengok eh. Okay, 68 teacher don't want to. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one must do. This one must do. And then we go to the exam question later. Okay, do this one for teacher. This one nothing to do with any formula about MAVA, MBVB, no, nothing. This is more to chapter 3 question. And I think very similar came out in yesterday's quizzes question also. Teacher give you about 2-3 minutes. Just do whatever working that you want. Buat dulu. Cikgu bagi masa. If let's say you are lost, then teacher lost a teacher. Just put in the chat, teacher, I'm lost. It's okay. No problem. you must get 2 different kinds of number of moles. Okay, thank you very much. Very okay, very good. Yeah. Okay, teacher give you a hint first. They asked me to find mass. If they ask you to find mass of anything, okay, ask me to find mass of copper oxide left. If they ask you to find mass of anything, you must always find number of moles first. Okay, can you tell teacher here what is something here that I can find number of moles? You tell teacher.
The 6 gram of copper oxide.
Okay, so I got 2 things that I can find number of moles. Teacher will help you, yeah. Okay,
Okay,
so
jawapannya D ke, Cik?
jawapan dia 64, 68. Tunggu ya. Ya, betul. Jawapan dia B.
Sekejap,
Okay.
B ke D?
You sebut apa tadi?
Saya cakap donkey.
Oh, jawapan dia boy.
Oh.
Because you tak tolak. I think you tak tolak. Dia kata, what is the mass of copper oxide left? So yang 6 tu you kena tolak dengan 4. Dapatlah jawapan.
Saya dapat 4. Lupa nak tolak.
Okay, all right. So how he got there, yeah? So we try this together. Number 1, Carolyn says find number of moles of copper oxide. Okay, I want to find number of moles of copper oxide. Okay, number of moles, teacher's going to use mass over molar mass. Okay, teacher want Aimi. Aimi, what's the mass of copper oxide yang sudah diberi dalam soalan?
6 gram.
Okay, what is the molar mass of copper oxide? Teacher, go faster a bit. What's the molar mass of copper 2 oxide?
80.
Correct, 80, yeah? All right, good. I don't know who answered me. Siapa yang jawab tadi?
Saya.
Okay, good. Now, everyone, 6 divided by 80. Quickly give me the answer. Deng, 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 deng. Everybody calculating. Farish. Sorry, go ahead. Bin, I cannot hear. What?
0.075.
Okay, 0.075 moles. Everybody double check, because teacher doesn't have a calculator, yeah? Okay, but however, in this wonderful question, I can find another number of moles. I must find both, and then I must see which one is lower. Okay, so I must find number of moles for sulfuric acid. Farisha, what formula to use here, Farisha?
MV over 1000.
Okay, correct. Farisha, give me the readings.
Uh, 50 times 1 over 1000.
Okay, what do I get?
0.05.
Okay, 0.05 mole. Now, class, you tell teacher, which number of mole am I going to choose?
0.05.
Very good. I am going to choose 0.05 because it is the lower number of mole. Okay, takkan tiba-tiba I want to take 0.075 padahal tak cukup for sulfuric acid. Impossible. I cannot take 0.075. So I must use 0.05. Okay, question is asking what? What is the mass of copper 2 oxide left? So we need to see first how much of mass that I have right now. So this 0.05, you want to go and find your mass. So number of moles is equals to mass over molar mass. You just calculated your number of moles is 0.05. Your mass you want to find now. Your molar mass is, copper oxide is how much? 80. Okay, all of you times. 0.05 times 80. What do you get? Okay, very good. I get 4 gram. Adakah ini menjawab soalan cikgu? They never ask what is the mass of copper used. If they ask mass of copper used, then betul lah 4 gram. But they said how much of copper 2 oxide left. What teacher must do?
6 minus 4.
Correct.
4 minus 6.
Kepala otak engkau. 6 gram minus 4 gram. Okay, teacher will get 2 grams. That is another way to answer the question. Okay. If you want to take a photo, you can quickly take a photo. Later, you go and read up. Later, you go and synthesize the question even further. Okay, but these are typical SPM questions. Okay, teacher goes to my last slide. Then, okay, a student is stung by an insect with an alkaline sting. Okay, which one is the most suitable to apply to the student?
Vinegar.
Obviously, yeah.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. Actually, this is so easy. I want to ask you, a bee, what sting is that?
B ialah acid.
Very good. Okay, very good. B is acid. You must remember A, B, C, D. B, yeah. So B is acid. How do I treat it? If it's acidic, what do I need to use?
Alkaline substance.
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Okay. Or even baking powder also can.
Ayuh
Alright.
kita.
What did he say? Okay, next I go to a wasp. Okay, wasp. Lebah. Lebah is what?
Alkaline.
Alkaline. What do I need to use?
Vinegar.
Vinegar lah. Okay, I want to ask you one more. Jellyfish.
Urine.
Cannot. You cannot use urine, doesn't work. Wait,
cikgu boleh lah cikgu pakai kencing.
Tak boleh. Kalau
tak
jawab
boleh.
macam tu dekat soalan SPM, markah kosong.
Ammonia.
Tak boleh. Wait, before that, jellyfish tu acidic ke alkaline?
Oh, alkaline.
Okay, it is alkaline. Pernah keluar exam budak-budak jawab guna minyak gamat. Tak boleh jawab macam tu. Tolong jangan jawab macam tu. Okay, don't say use your urine. Padahal in the syllabus tak pernah kita orang ajar use urine for jellyfish. Okay, don't tell anybody I'm your chemistry teacher. Okay, so again, if it's alkaline, you must use vinegar. Okay, correct. Are you ready for your simple test?
Tak.
Okay lah, we don't take it a test. We don't make it a test. This is 2017. Paper 2, question number 7. 2017 paper. Okay, so don't want to stress, don't want to make you all feel that you are worried. Okay, don't want to make it as though it's a test. We do together with teacher. Okay, we do together. So that means I must hear everybody's voice. Okay, I have 50 centimeter cube, 0.1 mole per decimeter cube. Acid, a normal hydrochloric acid. Okay, I pipette it out and I put into a 200 volumetric flask. Okay, because teacher want to prepare a new standard solution. I add in distilled water. Okay, what is the name of the process, class? Are you all writing the question or what?
Distillation.
Not distillation.
Dilution.
Yes, very good. I heard 3 people answering me correct. Answer is dilution. Very good. Okay, predict the pH value. Okay, tadi soalan sebelum ni, they already said the pH value is 1. So bear in mind, acid HA ni the pH value already 1. Sekarang kita tambah air. Apakah predict tu kena bagi nombor? Kena bagi nombor. You must give me a number. What is the pH value of the acid now? Bila dah tambah air. Okay, good. You can say 4, you can say 3. I think in your syllabus, if they give you question like this, Hurin, then you can put in a value. pH is equals to negative log H. Hurin, are you listening?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, but we are not doing there lah. So teacher will accept the answer 3, 4. Good. So you got 1 mark here, 2 marks here. Answer is 4 marks. Explain. Why? Why you say 3 and 4? Tell me.
200 bahagi dengan 50. Lepas tu dapat 4, lepas tu 4 tu dah dengan 1. So pH value 4.
No. No. Okay, I get what you're saying. You are giving me in terms of pH value, yeah? Okay, fine. I want in terms of words. What is happening? What does dilution do to the concentration of hydrogen ions?
The concentration of hydrogen ions increases.
Decreases it.
Yes, correct. Okay, I heard
Reduce.
another, wait, I heard another girl's voice, but I cannot hear. Farisha, is that you? Or Munira? Was it Munira? Okay, the voice went away already. Okay, the concentration of hydrogen ions increases or decreases? More, I heard you. More?
Yes, yeah.
The concentration of hydrogen ion, does it increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Very good. Why?
Because there's more water and the
Correct.
acid is diluted.
Very good. Because like that's now Milo dinosaur, a lot of Milo. Okay, teacher add water. Will it still be Milo dinosaur? Cannot be. Lesser Milo already. Same thing. When teacher add water, point number one, the concentration of hydrogen ion decreases. So when the concentration of hydrogen ion decreases, what will happen to my pH value?
Increases.
Very good. My pH value will increase. That's all. The soalan nampak aja so hebat, so much. And then the answer is very little. Okay, so don't be afraid to answer. Okay, now the last question here. The last question is the two formulas that I have taught you. Is the two formulas that I have taught you. I give you 1 minute to try. Do the first one. Calculate the concentration. After that, determine the volume. Okay, two different calculations here. The first calculation is based here. I got my molarity. I got my volume before dilution. I got my volume after dilution. What is my volume? Sorry, what is my molarity after dilution?
Is it 0.025?
Yes, correct. But no unit, no marks.
Mole per decimeter cube.
Okay, did everybody get the same answer like Naeem?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So teacher, do I need to show you the working? No need, you all know, yeah? Anybody needs me to show you the working? Quickly, just raise up your hand. No problem, it's very fast. Okay, so what the teacher do is M1, V1 is equals to M2, V2. Okay, my M1 before dilution is 0.1. My V2 is 50. My M2 wo puchetao. My V2 is 200. How to get M2? 0.1 times 50 over 200. Okay, these are not your common questions. These are not very easily found. Yeah, so you pay attention to what you get. So 0.00125 mole. Sorry, is that 125 or 25? Did teacher make a mistake?
25.
Okay, thank you. 0.025. I can hear your tired voices already. Okay, hang on. Teacher's almost done. Okay. Vin tired already, Vin. He's lagging. Okay, mole per decimeter cube. All right. Now, what's my next question? Apa soalan seterusnya? They asked me to find the volume, okay, for sodium hydroxide. Check, do I have there's the word neutralize here, there's the acid and alkaline here, I have got 3 out of 4 things here. What is my answer? Chemistry, jawapan selalu kat depan mata. Kena pandai cari. Chemistry, the answer is always in front of you. You must know how to find.
MAVA over MVVB.
Correct. Okay, what did you get?
Wait, I will calculate.
Okay, go ahead.
1.25.
Betul ke 1.25?
Salah.
Tak, dia memang dekat sana pun. Tapi cikgu rasa you punya decimal place kat salah tempat.
Oh,
Kira betul-betul. Anyone wants to try? Then we
Is
don't
it
have to.
12.5?
Sorry, Naim, go ahead again and say again.
12.5
Correct, but wrong.
centimeter, centimeter cube.
Very good, correct. Did everybody get 12.5?
So I got 125.
20,
I got
20.
1.25.
Okay, okay. Mo, what did you get, Mo?
125.
Okay, how lah all of you are getting different answers? Mathematics teacher, I must go speak to Cik Alia already after this. Caroline, what do you get?
1.25.
Okay, you wait. Maybe teacher's mathematics is poor, not Cik Alia. Okay. Hurin, Farid, Hurin, what do you get?
Still calculating, je.
Okay, okay. I think I know where's the mistake. This is
Yeah,
0.
sepatutnya 0.025.
Yeah,
bukan
yeah. Teacher,
0.0025.
I told you I'm the person bad in maths. Okay. Sorry. It's all my fault. Teacher made the mistake. Malunya. Okay. All the pro maths people all in front of me, yeah. Okay, Farisha, or even Farah, or even Munira. What is my MA? So we're using the. Okay, go ahead.
0.025.
Very good. Okay, 0.025. Teacher's just going to erase this so I got more space to write. Okay, good job. I calculated already. The MA is 0.025. Good job. Okay, 0.025. Okay, now what is my VA? Farah. Farah? Oh, if Farah's not here, never mind. Munira, any one of you?
25.
Munira? What's my VA?
25, chef.
25. Okay, correct. Okay, now move on. What is my MB? Anyone can shout out.
0.05.
Okay, very good. What is my VB?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Cikgu kena cari benda tu. And what is it? Is it 1/1 or 1/2?
1.
Very good,
1,
because very good. They already said the HA, yeah? So I get 1/1. Okay, now VB. Did everybody with Ponchina's wrong calculation here? What did you get for your VB?
12.5.
12.5.
Excellent. Centimeter cube. And you done it, class. You did it. See, you did an essay, you did subjective in my normal classes, and you did objectives today. So you are all good.